How to turn on autoplay on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about setting the autoplay on YouTube. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of YouTube application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now simply search for any YouTube video you'd like to play, and once you find it, simply play the video and you will see the autoplay indication in the top middle of the screen that is indicating a pause icon. Simply tap on it and you can see that the autoplay is off right now, and if you again tap on it, the autoplay will be on. Now you do not have to use your hands to play any other video after this. The other video that is supposed to play after this video will be played automatically. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can enable the autoplay option on YouTube. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.